Shit, what up, YouTube? So we back with another video type shit, little vlog. But in today's video, y'all already see the title type shit. But really, what we doing is we taking a drive. We taking a little 3-hour drive down to Indianapolis and shit. We gotta go pick up some car parts, bro. We gotta pick up some shit for the BMW type shit, you know? Like that bitch coming along. Subscribe to the channel, you know? And then yeah, hey, fuck with the Instagram at tw.nino. Fuck with my detail page too at a_n.detailing. And then go find me on my fucking Google and shit. ANN detailing on Google. Got the website up there. I got the website even on both of my Instagrams. So just tap in, lock in, you know. Look at this shit, y'all. Porsche, it's an old ass Porsche, y'all. 944. Coming from Quebec. Look, we came to Wendy's, grab some food type shit. And then, yeah, I really pick up the camera on some quick shit, let y'all know what's going on. You know, came to Wendy's, grab some food. We're on a road trip to go pick up some shit. Can't really tell y'all what the fuck going on, you know? I was gonna show y'all a quick little picture. It ain't nothing too crazy, man. Look, bro. Fuck Snapple, bro. We're out here right now. The first stop is we're on West Lafayette. I've never been out here really, but you know where we're on type shit. Bro, we don't discriminate, but it's definitely hella white people out here. I'm looking kind of scared out here, bro. So I told the cashier where we were from, she looked at us, she looked at me like I was crazy. What's that supposed to mean, bro? Like, what the fuck? I don't know, bro. Fuck they got going on over there, bro. So yeah, YouTube. What up, y'all? Shit. We had made a quick stop at the gas station real quick. We damn near already hit Nap. I don't know if I told y'all, but that's where we going type shit. I don't know. They got a little bit of shit going on. Some weird ass bitch in this car just walked up on me. I thought I was gonna have to do that shit to her. Her goofy ass. This shit's raw. It's like a playground in this bitch.
Set up to be able to figure out, because I mean, I'm not a fucking car electrician. You know, I wire houses and stuff. But to me, it just seems like
slap it on the
wiring just hooks up over here. You know, you just get the power from this fuse box, and then just powers it, because you know the engine management is over here.
Right there.
Shit box. Don't let them fool you, man. This one.
Nah, just the space too, bro. Like this whole space is nice.
Need more. I want to be able to do donuts.
This is badass, bro. What is this?
It's a RX-7. It's an FC.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
What year is
That's
it?
an FD right there, but it's just.
Oh,
What year is this?
Does that have a Dorito in there or no?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it does have a Dorito in there. What, bro? That's hard as fuck, bro.
That one just got swapped like a month ago. That was that motor. The one right there came out of this one. It blew up. So it got swapped from that one, and it's getting painted now because that's gonna be different. Factory rhino lining on it. Yeah, but I got it from a dude that he owned a fucking scrapyard, and he said the dog kept. His like guard dog kept ripping up the houses, so he bought the Civic for the dog.
What?
Yeah, and that dash is chewed up, the fenders. I mean, man, it's bad, but
It's a nice turbo build.
yeah,
Right?
Literally.
yeah. Back in the day, I bought everything
It's a hatch knife.
to build a K series, and then I don't know, I was a dumb kid and sold it all. Stimulus check.
I know that
Oh,
hurt.
that was like COVID and shit. She coming home, man. She going home, man. Bro, niggas been manifesting this shit, bro. Like, you know, now we really got that bitch, bro. You feel me? Christmas time definitely came early, bro. You ain't gonna find a deal like this, bro. And the fucking K&N filters, the fucking radiator, bro. All of this shit, bro. Fucking intercooler, all type of shit, bro. You know what's crazy about it all? Like, bro, check me out, right? Check me out. Look, check me out. Bro, Niggas don't even, bro. Man. Shout out the gang, they all pulled up though. This bitch hard though. Hell yeah, YouTube shit. We had popped out to BG shit at KFC and shit, so that's where we at. Olympia Lanes type shit. You know? Had to go show support to my nigga BG, my nigga Reese and shit. Got the little your dig out. This bitch tough. This bitch is tough.
Yeah, I'm new to it.
Nigga BG getting active right now behind the scenes. It's raw as fuck. Yeah, but I'm really just trying to piece the whole little vlog together, really. But shit, you know, got the little 5.0. 5.0 shit. Just locked in with that nigga Louis D from the Harbor. So you know what the fuck going on. Shout out gang shit. That bitch tough. That bitch is actually tough. Info, nigga. Another info. And the F-82 info. And then you got the you dig. And you got the RT joint. Everyone gone, but we finna go on a cruise real quick. Pull up presidential, bro. What the fuck?
I ain't done with it yet, but damn, this click right here is clean.
Hell yeah. Hey, know it, gang. He pulled up Jag. He talking about your shit clean, gang. Bro, for real. Man, I'll say what we on, man. We pull up, turn this bitch up real quick. Davo, get your ass outside. Get inside. Type shit. That boy BG getting busy. Getting busy. Hey, shout out to Ghetto.
This shit go crazy town with these niggas, bro. I don't believe it, bro.
Bro, it's the real deal, bro. Hey, he got a BBL on his shit though, bro.
That's what I'm saying. It's giving me Hellcat, but it's okay. That shit fat as hell. Look at that, bro.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, this bitch clean, bro. Nigga got the whole lick in the back. Oh, this bitch tough. That bitch clean. Sheesh. 360 that bitch.
Brandon got the black one on, bro. I'm gonna have to get you one first.
Hell yeah, shit, let me know.
Yeah. Okay. Ain't fucking no, hit me later. Ain't no time to waste, man. We ain't fucking now, don't hit me later. I ain't chasing coochie, is you stupid bitch, I'm running to the paper. I be taking orders like a waiter. Niggas fucking with me cause the prices and they knowing.
Bro, do y'all see lineup, bro? We met this Jag right here. We're at the fucking gas station, bro. Had him pull up with us, bro. Y'all see what we on though? Straight content. Anything for the content. We pull up to the horseshoe type shit. This shit got a whole BBL. Hell yeah. Hell no. Nah, yeah, y'all see this shit though. Man, we just pulled up on some chill shit though. You know? Type shit. So that's the
These engines, bro, they have like, for some reason they have this on the top. Like, you know how like every car usually has like intercooler in the front? Right. So it kind of has like another one on top. Yeah. It's like, they call it like an air to water cooler. So like, you know, pull it close to there.
Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe though, bro. Want some real shit. You know, we getting busy and shit, getting the content for y'all. All type of crazy shit, you know? Who was at the meet? I'm really just trying to piece the vlog back together type shit. What the fuck? Hell no. Come on, Noah gang. Hell no. Come on, Noe. Hey, this behind the scenes shit. We all chilling and shit. We got the whips outside. Hell no. Nah, this is crazy. Come on, dear Willie. Hey Josh, you just take off the front end and suction it on there, right?
Yeah.
Type shit.
Take that off. This little thing, through action they call it. Screw it. Take the wheel off and then you just suction out to the wind.
That shit is raw as fuck.
This is one company called Sea Sucker, but they make it for the bikes. It's like a triple suction on the front, and then you got one in the back, bro. And I promise you it'll move. And I tested it already. I promise you it won't move.
Man, we just getting that little TikTok reels and shit, you know? This behind the scenes. We got Josh over there acting bad with his bike and shit.
My little bitches did me dirty, I might go and fuck a friend. After that, I'm right back up in my bag, I might just crack again. Stro just pulled up on me, SRT, we on the road again. I got little what's her name with me too, but I can't say her name. But she put in work and you know her from a different occasion. I've been here for way too fucking long, gotta switch up locations. I might book a flight with my little bitch, she like taking vacations. She said that she love me, she be lying, I see different phases. I was trapping, serving, I depended on the fees. I ain't need no fucking nation to depend upon my needs. Fuck them if they hate me, pussy nigga, I was 17. Youngest nigga putting in that work, more than your OG. I was plugged in certain 30s, I discovered all the scenes. I ain't proud, I was broke, I had rich all in my jeans. Seen some shit that I ain't even wanna see up in my sleep. I was raised up on my grandma block, way before a teen. Fast forward with the same niggas who lived up on my street. I can't say too much.
But first I want to do some upgrades, put that coder intake on there, and so you can hear that supercharge.
Yeah, you get that nice sound, bro.
Oh yeah, this bitch tough.
I'm gonna tune in. I just haven't. I ain't do nothing major to it yet. Just cosmetics. I put this on it 2 weeks ago. You put this on?
Money, yeah, that's all I know. I'm not a kid. One eye, he disappeared, like where water go. I'ma have him drop us through a block, you know they all gon' go. I like cash, money.